As a graphic designer, there are several ways to earn a living. Here are some common ways to earn as a graphic designer. Freelancing. You can work as a freelance graphic designer, which allows you to work with multiple clients and work on various projects. You can set your own rates and negotiate with clients. Full-time job. You can work as an employee in a design agency, a marketing department, advertising agency, media, or an in-house creative team. The salary and benefits vary depending on the company and your level of experience. Selling designs. You can create and sell your designs online through various platforms such as Etsy, Creative Market, or Society6. You can sell designs such as logos, illustrations, or templates, social media banner. Teaching. If you have expertise in a particular area of graphic design, you can teach online courses, create tutorials, or write blog posts. You can earn money through ad revenue or by selling courses and tutorials. Creating and selling digital products. You can create and sell digital products such as icons, fonts, or textures on various platforms such as Envato Market or Gumroad. Commission-based work. You can work on commission-based projects, such as creating a logo or designing a website for a client. You can negotiate the project fee and payment terms. It's important to note that earning as a graphic designer requires not only excellent design skills but also business skills such as communication, negotiation, and time management. Networking and building a strong portfolio are also key to success in this field.